Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Browse AI not working in 2026. If your robots are not running, pages are not loading, or data extraction is failing, this guide will help you solve the issue step by step. First, check your internet connection and make sure it is stable before using Browse AI. Next, refresh the Browse AI dashboard or restart your browser to fix temporary loading issues. Now make sure you are logged into the correct Browse AI account where your robots are created. Next, check if your selected website is accessible and not blocked or down. Now verify that your robot is properly configured and all required fields are selected during the training process. Next, run your robot again and check for any error messages in the results section. Now clear your browser cache and cookies to remove corrupted session data. Next, try using Browse AI in a different browser or in incognito mode. Now disable VPNs, ad blockers, or browser extensions that may interfere with website loading. Finally, if nothing works, retrain your robot or contact Browse AI support for further assistance. And that's it, you've successfully learned how to fix Browse AI not working issues. Your robots should now run smoothly and extract data properly. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.